Growing up, I always wanted to try spaghetti and meatballs, but never got the opportunity to because it's not a popular dish in Jamaica. Continue watching to see my foolproof recipe. I'm not going to lie, I got some frozen meatball that I bought from IKEA. Yes, I am living in China. Some things are hard to find. I will place a few on a baking tray and place it in the oven for just 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. I like making my own tomato sauce with cherry tomatoes, and I added some chili peppers for a little bit of spice. This is optional, you don't have to. And I know it's not traditional, but this is the way that I like it. I will add my tomatoes and peppers into a food processor and blend. A rough blend is okay. I'll add some olive oil to my pot. Make sure your heat is on low. Add some dry Italian herbs. I usually use dry oregano, but I don't have any. Check the description box for the exact measurements. Add some chopped onions to your pot, let it saute on low, and infuse with the oil. I added a little bit more olive oil to my pot because I thought it wasn't enough. Add tomato paste and combine. Make sure it is well combined. Fry your tomato paste to remove that canned taste, if you know what I mean. Once your oil change color and your paste start looking like pebbles, at this point I added my minced garlic. Mix, mix, mix. Add your blended tomatoes and peppers and combine that goodness. I'm not going to lie, my methods changed after meeting a few Nigerians and learning to make proper tomato sauce. I will add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Yes, garlic powder. Crack some black pepper and combine. Add just a 1/4 cup of water. Put your heat on low and let it simmer for 40 minutes. Remember to check and stir to make sure it doesn't burn. Look at my tomato sauce. Make sure to taste and adjust your seasoning. Now it's time for a little secret. Add a tablespoon of ketchup. Yes, I said ketchup. After that, add salt to taste. Mix, mix, mix. Add your meatballs and combine. Let your meatballs simmer in the sauce for 10 minutes. Look at my tomato sauce. Oh my gosh, it was looking and smelling so good. However, we're not done yet. Now it's time for my cheese, and I will be using Parmesan cheese, because spaghetti and meatballs, there is no other cheese that you can use. So combine that together. Add your pasta, which has been cooked in very salty water. Combine well, like combine it together. And don't forget to add your pasta water. Combine everything together. Mix it, mix it, mix it. All of this goodness. All I can say is that this was so good. At the end of the day, I was like, I didn't plan to cook this. However, after eating, I was like, oh my gosh, I needed this today. This is my favorite recipe. Give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Bye bye.